Affiliate marketing guidelines that are easy to understand. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to make some extra money without having to deal with inventory or customers directly. Many people, however, are unaware of the best way to approach affiliate marketing. In this video you will find some great tips that will help you master affiliate marketing. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. It is important to know your audience when also using affiliate marketing. If you are writing a cosmetics blog, don't choose affiliate ads which are for car parts. The more an affiliate ad relates to what your website or blog is about, the higher the chances are that your current customers or followers will use the affiliate links. Do not waste your time on products that are only offering commissions of 5 to 10%. You can hold out for larger commissions of 20 to 50%. And with the way this type of marketing works, it's usually the better products offering the larger commissions, and better products sell a lot easier than cheaper products. Companies that continuously create new products are a great resource for affiliate marketers. If the company is always releasing something new, you'll have a better chance to attract repeat business. Stay away from fly-by-night companies or fad products that won't be around tomorrow. The affiliate marketing field can be very competitive, as lots of different affiliates are trying to sell the same products or services. However, by using some of the advice contained in the tips above, you should be able to increase the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing campaigns and increase your income. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.